Guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. This is basically just going to be a unboxing of some manga I got off of Right Stuf. It feels like it's been ages since I've ordered off this website because I mainly use Amazon, but since I made that how to manga on a budget video, I've just been looking more into pricing of certain things, and I've just been making smart moves, so I do use my own videos for references, guys. So if you guys don't know, I recently found out that this manga series, Let Die, was published in the States, and I've just been collecting a lot of the volumes, and I got this one off of Amazon. I actually showed it on my Instagram, so if you guys want to see more of a look into what I get in the daily, just check out my Instagram. It'll be on the screen, so just go there and you'll see more of me and less of this stuff. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into unboxing it because I really don't want this video to be super long. So yeah. Alright, that was pretty easy. Their boxes are kind of really hard to open, but this one was super easy, man. Alright. And they always wrap their items in this fabulous taupe type of paper. And like always, it's actually in this. So we're just going to throw the box over there. And we're just going to unwrap it. And I like that Right Stuf makes sure that their products is wrapped safely so the books won't bend in the mail. Come on, phone, focus on this. I don't know why my phone decides to unfocus, but there we go. So we're just going to unwrap it slowly, but surely we'll get there. Oof. Okay. I think we're there. So I'm going to see if I can cut this part off real quick. There we go. Oof. Okay. And I'm going to wrap more of this. I actually opened it backwards. Okay. There we go. Okay, so this is my receipt. Can't show that to you guys, but looky. So I got book 1 off of Right Stuf. So that's the front. And this is the back. And then I got book 2 off of Right Stuf. So this is the front. And this is the back. So yes, guys, I officially own book 1, 2, and 4 of the Let Die series. I wanted to get book 3 along with these, but book 3 was like $15. So I'm like, that's next week. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really want to bring back some more manga and anime content. So whatever or whenever I get a lot of stuff, I'll make videos on it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Alrighty, before I actually close out this video, apparently Right Stuf sent me a copy of this manga that they had on their desk for people to look at, and it's been like worn out, and I really don't appreciate that. As a person ordering a book from you guys, I just don't like that this has been read through a couple of times. So I don't know, I don't want to sit there and say they're a bad company, but that was bad on your part. So yep, that's it for this video.